Power outage got you down? Say hello to the Blip One. It's a smart home battery for everyone. It's easy to set up, could pay for itself, and is good for the planet. Whether it's scheduled maintenance or severe weather, outages happen. Today's battery systems are expensive, need professional setup, and are usually permanent for homes and businesses. But if you live in a condo, apartment, or need a simpler backup solution, you're out of luck. And no power means you won't be working from home. Enter Blip One. It's a portable power station that provides 2.2 kilowatt hours of efficient power. Use it for your laptop, freezer, refrigerator, microwave, space heater, lamp, AC unit, and more. And to charge it, all you need is a standard outlet. No electricians or landlords necessary. So the next time the grid lets you down, you can keep the lights on. Blip One is cost-effective. Its real-time algorithm lets it automatically store energy when it's cheaper. Then, during peak hours, Blip One runs your most power-hungry devices off its battery. This saves you money, and in some areas, it means Blip One could pay for itself. Plus, by cutting energy use during peak hours, you reduce our use of fuel-burning power plants. That can save up to 100 kilograms of carbon emissions per year. So you can reduce your carbon footprint without lifting a finger. Blip One's built-in handle and wheels let you roll it around easily. With its vertical design, it fits neatly into your home. And with the Blip app, you can update your energy settings from anywhere. Life can be unpredictable, but with Blip One, you'll always have peace of mind when it counts. Blip One, the smart home battery for everyone. Get yours now at blipenergy.com.
When I was a young boy, I would help my dad work on the car. This seeded the love for motorsport. My parents were creative people, and this sparked my imagination. My curiosity began, and I started taking apart old devices in the house to see how they work. For our holidays, we would go on long road trips to Le Mans. Watching the cars racing and being worked on fed my passion for supercars. When I saw videos of homemade CNC machining, this opened my mind to making my own parts. Then a light bulb moment appeared. I knew I had to merge my interests, and Piston Pens was born.
Touchscreens may seem small for big ideas sometimes. What about a touch-sensitive wall? That's where iManta comes in. iManta, a magic interactive whiteboard accessory that transforms any display into a touchscreen. Simply plug into laptops or computers. Quickly set it up by calibrating 4 corners of the screen, and you're good to go. Desire a bigger screen for creation? iManta satisfies your needs. Not only does it turn screens touchable, but also walls. Gently tap with the accompanying pen and drag. iManta will sense the actions and respond quickly. It's also tiny and handy. Take it with you to the office or on travel. It'll be your good meeting assistant. Wish to have touch panels on all your devices? Well, you wish. iManta delivers. When you have a new idea, you can immediately draw it on your screen. Bring iManta to work. It will greatly improve your efficiency. It functions well with any flat surfaces, whether it's a laptop screen, a TV, a whiteboard, or even a wall. Just tap, swipe, and draw, and your job is done in no time. It works for both Windows and Mac systems. No matter if you're a hardcore gamer, a designer or a music composer, a business elite, iManta will accommodate you well and make your day. iManta, make every flat surface smart and touchable.
You may not be the same person every day. You can be professional and act all fancy, or just relax and express yourself. But you always try to smell great. Yet eventually, you might get bored of the perfume. A fragrance can belong to another moment or another style. At some point, even before the bottle is empty, it just doesn't feel like you anymore. Introducing Ninu, the first smart perfume in the world. Combining 3 different luxury fragrances in a single timeless design, Ninu allows you to find your own scent with more than 100 options to choose from. And when you do find it, our patent-pending technology enables you to apply it with a simple touch. Through the companion app, you have complete control over your scent. Too intense for work? Tone it down. Off on a night out? Spice it up. Take Ninu with you and mix something based on where you're going or how you're feeling. Or simply let our AI-enhanced app recommend the perfect blend for every mood and occasion. With more than 100 different fragrances to choose from, you will always find something for you. Our replaceable cartridges are made from eco-friendly materials, and the sustainable design could well make Ninu the last fragrance bottle you'll ever need. Experience the perfect balance of high-end technology and premium fragrances in a beautiful design. Back Ninu on Kickstarter today and become part of the perfume revolution.
We're Casamera, and creating top-performing bath essentials is what we do best. Meet the Scrubber, a shower tool built to match your intensity and willingness to get dirty. Infused with charcoal for its antibacterial properties and ergonomically designed to fit perfectly in your hands while you scrub. A quick pass with this 100% plant-based scrubber and you're clean as a whistle. And the best part? It has 2 opposite but equally functional sides. The gentle front side reverses to a more exfoliating backside thanks to a higher concentration of walnut shells. Scrub gently from the front and use the back for tougher exfoliation. The scrubber is made from the root of the konjac plant, so it's 100% biodegradable and can easily be composted at home. Back now, scrub later.